God seen as male or female? And why is it that you usually say he about God?
This was the culture of the day. And the Quran is repeatedly tells us al-mu'minina wal-mu'minat. So it's just, why does it say mu'minin? Why does it only say mu'minin? To show that it's not a gender issue. The one and only one can only be known through dualities. That one is beyond any goodness you can imagine. But the shadows of good and bad, or he or she or whatever, are all indicators of the one. So gender is only the garb, the physical, biological that you have been cast in. That's why also there is more and more also gender transfers. These are again because they've identified themselves with the physical body, with the hormones. So you say, I am really much more of a man than a woman. All right. The wrong identification anyway. The whole thing is wrong. But it is a wrong that can lead to the right and right and right, beyond gender. Not until the mature man sees the mother, the wife, the lover in him, and vice versa. Then you are free of, I am a man, and therefore I am seeking a woman, and vice versa. Which women are going to satisfy you? Which men are going to satisfy her? As soon as she knows he's another idiot, he snores, or he's lost his teeth, or his virility, or whatever is gone. What are you talking about? Get out of the limitations of all of what appears to be part of the lower end of human consciousness. If you do not calibrate constantly with a consciousness beyond duality, then you will suffer from this issue, that issue, this color, this race, this education, this wealth, this strength. Endless. But don't deny it as a child. But as a mature person, you have to read the meaning of it. If you don't move from form to meaning, then you are caught very much on the lower end of consciousness. Your business, my business, her business, is to constantly calibrate with pure consciousness, beyond duality. Then you accept duality. Yes, I was cast in this mold. Finished. Not a big deal. If you don't move along the ladder to the ultimate pure consciousness, God consciousness, divine consciousness, you will suffer. And you are programmed by grace not to suffer. So find a way out.